I'm Sofia Marie Diaz Cuna.
Hello everyone, I'm Nicole Charquit Zares,
And
and welcome
welcome to
to
Tea
Tea
Shop
Shop
Talk.
Talk.
So, Nicole, are you a movie person?
Yes, I'm such a big movie person.
I saw
Oh,
this
what is
movie
that?
last night. It's called A Big World.
A Big World. Oh, I heard
Yeah,
that.
are you familiar?
I already watched that like last week.
Because
Yeah.
at first I didn't expect it to be so emotional. Then it dealt with some very emotional personal struggles, which I
Mm-mm.
really resonated with. You really look at the interpersonal struggles,
Mm-mm.
just the difficulty of life that this movie depicted, right?
Actually, that movie really made me think what good life is. He's finding his purpose,
Yeah,
his reason to live. Finding purpose is not that easy.
yeah.
Like it one can really think or question yourself so much. What's your purpose? Why are you here? Why are you living? Still
Yeah,
living?
it made me really think of this philosopher like Aristotle.
Yeah, Aristotle. Aristotle, I think, he defined good life as if you have the happiness and the purpose in life. It really made me think what is good life and how can I achieve good life.
Yeah,
Like it made me go through into what is
introspection.
yeah introspection.
Yeah. Oh, what a word!
Yeah, it
Yeah.
made me really
Oh,
think
yeah.
of
I
that.
remember this other philosopher also. His name is Epicurus.
Yeah, I heard that. I heard
And
it.
according to him, like the meaning of life is finding sustainable happiness. What we call the highest good is happiness itself, and everything else that we chase after, like money, fame, good family, health, fairness, virtue, and wisdom, comes from simply trying to be happier, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it's about like if you when you chase for like fairness, for example, like him, the guy in the movie, he was
Mm-mm.
all his life he was just trying to find fairness, to be treated fairly. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
Remember that scene when he was he just got a job as a barista. His grandmother was so happy, like he was so excited. He told his grandson that you can go on dates, yeah, you can
Mm-mm.
pay for university, and he was like, "No, grandma, it's not just about the money. Having a job means having dignity." And he was happy just to have that job because he proved to himself that he could do it, and he
He's
proved,
capable.
yeah.
Yeah.
And do you remember like the bus scene, like the bus incident? He wrote a complaint, and then by the end of the movie, it was shown his complaint resulted to something. He was
Remember
brought
that.
up on stage. They had this food for him, like as a gesture, but you can see the disappointment in his
Oh, he was
eyes.
disappointed.
Yeah, he was so disappointed because he thought that he did something and it actually resulted to something good. But then it ended up becoming a publicity stunt of some sort. He walked up on stage and he said, "The meaning of happiness should include every one of us." And again, it was just about him trying to be treated fairly, like another
Speaking
capable
of
person.
treated fairly, diba he said na happiness should be for everyone.
Yeah.
He said that even though that people surrounds him, look him down and drag him down,
Yeah.
and always tell him that he is not capable, he is a retard, and such things, harsh things, especially his mother. Remember
Yeah.
that scene where he confronted his mother, where he questioned his mother na, who is this? Who is this fault? Why I am like this and that and everything. That scene made me cry because you can clearly see that he's hurting because his mother is not treating him fairly. He said na father should be always the one who's supporting. That scene made me think that she is not a good mother to him at that point.
Yeah, because he didn't see how amazing his son was, right?
Mm-mm.
He really made use of everything that helped him, like
Mm-mm.
the technology around him. He could easily type without struggle. He really adapted to the environment, using all the advantages in the world, like the
Yeah.
technology. He didn't limit himself to what the other people told him about his limitations. Like he said, the barista wanted to hire a normal person. He said, I am a normal person with a
Killer
mind.
minds.
Yeah, with a killer mind.
Yes.
And then his mother told him he can't get into this university, and he did.
He did.
He did.
Because he know that he can and he's
Yeah.
capable too.
Yeah. It really makes you think about society as a whole, you know, because if society is the one preventing you to be something, then it's really a struggle because technology is advancing, right? You can type, you can run, but it's the society holding you back. It's very counterintuitive that you are providing all this advancements, this modernization, but the modern mind of the person is still not built up, right? It's a very new time. Like it's 2020s, and people still think that people with cerebral palsy are retards, right? And
Yes.
most of them are so smart like him.
I don't really get those people around him like say that he's a retard, incapable, stupid, and such things when he is much better than them.
Yeah, true. Like you can see the old people trying to, you know, when older people in your house ask you, how do I download this? How do I? He was that kid.
Yeah.
And he was just a normal kid, but other people didn't see that.
His disability doesn't have to be the definition that he is not normal. One thing about this movie that made me think about life too is always spread kindness.
Yes.
Like
Yeah.
spreading kindness doesn't hurt, guys.
Yeah.
It doesn't hurt.
Yes. Be kind.
Yeah,
Please.
be kind always.
For the sake of our society, please be kind.
Because you know, each one of us has different struggles. We are all struggling.
Yeah.
Having disabilities doesn't make you less as a person.
No, that's not their whole personality.
Yeah.
You have to give them a chance.
Yes.
Because how would you feel if someone look at you like, oh, you have curly hair? Like it's a random thing about you, and then people make assumptions about you, and that's so sad. Yeah.
That's so sad.
Yeah.
Because if you're like that, you have that kind of thinking, you are very very sad and insecure person.
Yeah, that's true. And you're not contributing to the betterment of the society. And
you're just making it worse.
Yeah, true. So I guess that's all for this podcast.
We just give our all.
Our emotions. So
yeah.
That's all. See you again next time
see you
for our
tea
shop talks. Bye! Kaya naman.